Friends, colleagues, dreamers, doubters, everyone standing within the echo of my voice, I see you. I see the fire in some of your eyes, the flicker of uncertainty in others, and the quiet determination etched on faces both young and old. And to each of you, I say this: we believe in you. We believe you can do this. This, of course, is the great unknown. It's the mountain before you, the uncharted ocean on your horizon, the challenge that whispers doubts even as it ignites your spirit. It's the dream that keeps you awake at night, the fear that makes your fingers tremble, the goal that seems just out of reach, taunting you with its potential. But here's the thing: every single one of you has stood at this precipice before. You've looked down at the jagged path ahead, and you've chosen to climb. You've stared into the face of uncertainty, and you've taken a step forward anyway. We all have. For within every human heart beats a relentless drum, a rhythm of dreams and ambitions that refuses to be silenced. It pushes us forward, sometimes stumbling, sometimes soaring, but always moving. This journey, though, is rarely a solo trek. We find strength in the echoes of past victories, the whispers of encouragement from loved ones, the silent solidarity of those who walk beside us. Today, I stand here to be one of those echoes, one of those whispers, one of those who see the fire in your eyes and believe with unwavering certainty that you can do this. Because here's the secret nobody tells you: the mountain isn't as steep as it appears. The ocean isn't as vast as your anxieties make it seem. The distance to your goal isn't measured in miles, but in the courage you muster with each step. The climb will be arduous, the waves will crash, but within you lies a wellspring of resilience, a reservoir of strength waiting to be tapped. Remember the times you doubted yourself before? The exams you aced despite the trembling hands? The stage you conquered despite the knotted stomach? The leap of faith you took? The rejection you weathered? The heartbreak you healed? You did that. You overcame. You are living proof of your own resilience, a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within each of us. This, my friends, is not blind faith. It's not about ignoring the challenges, but about acknowledging them with a defiant nod and saying, "Bring it on." It's about recognizing the doubt, the fear, the trepidation, and then choosing decisively to move forward anyway. It's about embracing the wobbly in your legs as a sign of progress, the tears in your eyes as a baptism of fire. For within the crucible of struggle, something extraordinary happens. We forge our resolve in the flames of doubt. We hone our skills on the anvil of difficulty. We discover reserves of strength we never knew we possessed. The obstacles we conquer become the stepping stones to our triumphs. The scars we bear the testament to our battles won. This journey, dear friends, is not about reaching the summit and planting a flag. It's about the climb itself, the lessons learned, the connections made, the stories written with every step. It's about the laughter shared under starry skies, the tears cried on shoulders that understand, the moments of camaraderie that bind us together. It's about becoming, with each challenge faced, the best versions of ourselves. So go forth, dreamers, climbers, warriors of your own making. Believe in the fire in your eyes, the strength in your heart, the unwavering support of those who stand beside you. Fall, stumble, rise again, dust yourselves off, and keep moving. For we, the echoes of your past victories, the whispers of your future triumphs, we believe in you. We believe you can do this. And when you reach your summit, when you cross your ocean, when you achieve that seemingly impossible goal, remember this: it wasn't just you who did it. It was the person who held your hand along the way, the voice that cheered you on when you faltered, the belief we poured into your spirit when even you doubted yourself. It was a collective effort, a testament to the power of human connection, a reminder that we are all, in this grand and messy journey, in this together. So let's walk this path, shoulder to shoulder, eyes fixed on the horizon, hearts brimming with the unwavering belief that together we can do anything. We can climb any mountain, navigate any storm, reach any star. Yes, we can do this. Thank you.